Hi guys, and welcome to a new vlog. Today is Sunday and I decided to film a last minute video for tomorrow. Happy Monday if you're watching. And today it's just like super hot and I can make myself do anything, and it's a lot of things are gonna be this week and a lot of stuff on the agenda. However, I decided to do like a relaxed video showing you what I've got while shopping, and I was smart, and before everyone I decided to buy some nice pieces for autumn and start building up my capsule, because I think it's really cool to spread the budget. And what I did, I reorganized my wardrobe, I sold something, so I got some spare budget to get something for autumn. And it's also cool because the full collection is there. So I got really lucky, and I want to show you like my little capsule for autumn, my beige life. And I just adore like caramel colors, the beige colors, different shades of gray, nude, and it just like makes me so happy, and it always so chic when you style it. So basically, talks aside, let me show you what I've got. And while I was doing, I also want to show you a little bit of my makeup. I tried to do a video for Instagram, but it was too hot, and I'm like, oh, I'm giving up. I'm seriously giving up on this idea. So let me show you what I've got for makeup, some new in, and then I'll show you what I've got clothes-wise. I want to show you some really cool things that are my summer must-haves. So I really love this one. Is an Instagram filter effect. This one is a primer from Benefit. And also I have this lipstick from Sephora. It's in color, let me check it, 13. And this lipstick gives like a very fresh lips, like over-kissed ones, and I really like this. Then I have a foundation and concealer from Sephora, very light one. It's 10 hours foundation. This one is from Too Faced, and it's amazing, especially these two colors. So good for summer makeup. Then this supersonic mascara from Huda Beauty has two sides, volume and curl side, so it's very handy. Then have new brushes from Sephora as well, and this Sephora Glow palette. So it looks like this. It's a good budget option for Hourglass one, so it's really recommended. So that's it. Okay, I landed on my sofa, and now I want to show you what I've got. And then the second part of the video, I want to show you many ways how I would like to style it. So where should I start? Okay, I start with Massimo Dutti, and I've got, oh, my sunglasses. I was searching for them the whole morning. So what I've got, basically there were some sales and I decided to take advantage, and I spent around 70 Swiss francs. But Massimo Dutti, I really start appreciating the minimalistic style. Before I was like, well, it's too boring, it's too simple, and I was like many people who get the style wrong, that it should be the item should be super complicated and statement. Now as I'm learning more, I feel like the item should be pretty simple, but the combination of textures, the play with accessories really can level up the look. And I'm starting practicing this, and a lot of people give me compliments like, wow, you have a style. So I start hearing the word style, and for me, my heart is melting. So basically what I've got, to start with, I was trying to search for bikini and something like simple things for summer. However, it's the last months of summer and I don't want to overbuy things because, you know, you need to put them aside and who cares of summer with this like kind of situation. However, I decided to buy few pieces that I would wear like not only during summer, but I can transform into my autumn wardrobe. And I found this scarf. This is a really nice leopard scarf. However, you can make it less statement, styling it with beige outfits, with brown coats, but I bought it as a skirt or like pareo skirt for my bikini. So instead of wearing jeans, I can make a little dress, I can make a top, I can put it on my head, and it's already 3 different looks. I will also show you how you can style it with a coat. So this is number 1. Then I've got the perfect jeans. They are just like high-rise, slim, straight jeans, and the quality is really amazing. It has some detail here. It's a very trendy piece. Normally you have a cut. The trend of the season is the cut on the hip, but I have a little bit of the stitch here, and the shape is really flattering. And I will also try them on and show you how I wear it. And then I popped in Mango and I bought also a few things. I got this really cute necklace. It was 7 Swiss francs and it's a little cherries, and it's really nice to style for summer, for bikini. It's like a pop of color. And I don't know how about you, but I used to have these kind of necklaces when I was 6 or 7. So I'm still loving these shoes. They were like leather shoes. They were on the discount, and the color is just my beige life. They're so perfect, they're so comfortable. They have like some heel, but it's not like it's a kitten heel, and they have like vintage look, but they're just amazing with jeans or with a dress, and they're so classy. So absolutely love it. And they were 25 Swiss francs. So I think it's really a catch, and I will also show you how I style. And I came across this cute bag. I don't know, it's really cute. It's like a little, let me close it. It's like a little caramel bag. It's something between Bottega pouch and Bottega croissant, more like a croissant thing. And it's very refreshing, very nice, thought for vacation. I don't want to ruin a bag or like with heat or with water, but this is pretty nice option. It's lovely color, and I can also style it for autumn as well. So that's been said, that's a few of the items that I bought, and I want to show you some styles how I think I can make it. These pieces are really versatile and it's a good base for an autumn wardrobe. So I will show you some looks and some of my ideas how I want to style. Basically, that's been said, let me start trying things on. So I prepared like a minimum wardrobe, but guys, you can do lots of combinations. It's for autumn, like also one shirt, like white shirt or t-shirt will be fine. Very classy base to build up, and you look cool and add up like a statement accessories like scarf, glasses. Also shoes wise, I have these 3. Yeah, so basically we'll show you some of my favorite looks. Okay, to start with, I styled the jeans. I folded up the end so it looks like more flattering, and I styled with a simple boho kind of shirt and Dior saddlebag, and also this Zara mules. It's a very casual look. However, if you want to make it more evening style, you can switch the mules for heels and the bag for maybe this one. This is more like evening style. So this is like an evening option, so I switched for comfortable kitten heels from Mango and this croissant style bag, so it looks like more dressed up. However, I just changed only 2 accessories. So I changed my look again, and I changed only 2 things. I changed the bag. I'm now having my Balmain Bibas 23 bag, and I put the blazer on, and it's just like a classy look, perfect for like some meetings or events or for some chilly weather, and it's just amazing. And I'm really surprised how my shoes are matching my blazer. It's like a color coordination master, so I love this outfit. Then I popped my coat. It's from Zara, but hopefully I can buy it from Massimo Dutti, the one that I wanted. However, it looks pretty nice as well for like autumn in Europe. So I'm very lucky to live in Europe, so I can wear the heels and I can style it like this with the sunglasses, or I can make it a little bit sophisticated and put on this scarf from Massimo Dutti. And this is really a nice point when it's like a very strong print, like leopard with the beige colors. It will look so refreshing and amazing and will level up the look. And the trick is, here is too much. What I'm gonna do, I just put it right here, and you have just a little bit of the print, and just button my coat. So you have a little bit of the print, and it looks just very classy, easy, and you know, it's all matching. Also, I want to show you a new trendy and super easy stylish tip. When you wear like your jumper, especially like white or light color jumper as a scarf, and this is really trendy, and definitely I will use this trick myself, and it's pretty nice and so fashionable. Another style is with a sweater. Currently I'm boiling inside, so I will be pretty fast to explain, but I put my western heels and my Balmain bag, so it's really cool. And if I want to elevate this look a little bit, I will add this scarf, and it will be something like this. Simple but very statement look and very stylish as well. If I want to look a little bit more feminine and sophisticated, I will add the shoes and this bag. And also for chilly weather, I can also put this blazer on my shoulders, so I can make this look to connect all the colors together. So basically that was my try on, and I'm really happy what's going on with my wardrobe now, and I highly advise you to take care of your autumn wardrobe right now. So it's like 1 or 2 months. September is pretty hot, so you can spread your budget and buy like quality versatile pieces which will serve you for a long time. And now it's everything in stock. From my side, I will also add everything into the description box under this video, so you can check out the styles. And I highly recommend you to check Massimo Dutti, because they're doing really nice collection this year. I checked it, it's pretty nice. Maybe if I have time, I will do a shopping vlog. I loved a lot of pieces, and you also need to try them on. And also for a basic wardrobe, I would recommend you Mango. However, the collection was okay this year, but check the accessories. I think the new approach, they put all the forces on the accessories. One bag is very similar to Chanel 19 bag, another bag is Bottega Veneta, another bag is like very classy Dior saddle bag. And I think they're really good at copying, like getting inspired, as we say, of the main trends, and you can find some really stylish pieces there. So I will link everything under this video, so feel free to check it out. And other than that, I hope you like these tips. I hope that you find them useful and you will use to look classy, stylish and beautiful. And I will see you soon in the next video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm sorry if I'm sweating, because it's 36 degrees now. I'm trying my best. However, I will love you and leave you, and see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.